Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna be doing a fall nail tutorial, and this nail tutorial is actually done on my giveaway winner. So thank you everyone for entering, and yes, I have been doing the giveaway winner's nails. So right now you just see me prepping the nails, and I'm just using the Valentino dehydrator and the nail bond primer. So I'm just taking this brown shade, and I will be doing an ombre on the pinky, middle finger, and thumb. And I am not sure what color this is. I'm pretty sure it's 150. But yes, the light one is 148. So I'm just gonna be ombreing those together, and I will be applying them in a thin layer and then encapsulating them with clear. And I do want to say a big thank you for everyone that has been supporting my channel and supporting my small business. This video will be up probably Thursday, October 10th. But I do have something really big planned for y'all guys, and I will be making a whole video announcing it. So I really hope y'all continue supporting me in that as well, and I can't wait to show y'all what I've been working on. I'm just going to be repeating the steps that I did on the pinky nail, and as you can see, the ombre is already looking really good, and it's just going to be looking better once I apply the clear on top. A lot of people find it difficult to ombre colors that the shade is too dark. Usually it's only from light to light, like light white to pink and vice versa, but a good tip that I have for doing ombres is blend them when wet. So make sure you do wetter beads, and that will help you blend the colors more easily. For the ring finger, we will be doing all gold glitter chunks on it. So I am just applying the shade 148 as a base, and then you'll be seeing me dipping my brush into the glitter and applying it to the nail. So our giveaway winner's name was Kat. Well, her IG name is Kat, and she was actually telling me how she was a subscriber of mine since I had less than 100 subscribers, and I was overwhelmed. She showed me the pictures of whenever she first entered my giveaway that I had done like a year ago, the big makeup giveaway. So I just want to tell everyone how thankful I am to have y'all and to keep y'all during all of my dreams. So yes, on the index finger you just see me applying the maple tree leaves, and I do apply them in gold, red, and in the orangey color, and I'll be sprinkling some of the little gold glitters around the nail. And a big thank you to the giveaway winner for letting me be creative. She basically let me do whatever I wanted. She just wanted something fallish, and it came out really good. Oh, a lot of people have also been asking me why do I only wear one glove. So I'm not used to wearing gloves, and I'm just slower, and I feel like I can't work properly if I'm wearing both gloves. So I only use one on my left hand because I feel like that's the hand that always gets dustier and dirtier. I don't know, it's just the hand that I notice that feels kind of yucky after a long day of doing nails, if that makes any sense. And I'm just filing at a slightly angled angle, and once I'm filing the tip, I make sure I'm filing straight down. To smooth the nails, I am going to be using a fine drill bit, and I'll just be filing up and down and inside to side around the cuticle. I don't show much of this because I didn't get much of it on the camera. As y'all see, I was a little angled too low. Here are the nails filed and shaped. I will be applying some gold strips to nails just to make it look like a little gift kind of. And here's a tip for this. You want to make sure you cut more. Don't leave it at exactly the nail length, because if you leave even a little bit hanging off, or like you can feel it after the top coat, they will peel off. So make sure you cut a little bit less than what would actually cover the whole nail. And these are the final nails. Thank you guys so much for watching, and thank you for everyone that has been entering my giveaways. I will be announcing something really big, hopefully this Sunday. So stay tuned, and I also will be doing a giveaway and on that video as well. So thank you guys for watching, and don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe to my channel if you're not already.